everybody, my name is William with 4AM Plumbing, and today I'm going to show you real quick on how you can locate and properly shut off your water to your home in case of emergency. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a tool to turn off the water. This is called a meter key. So you can get this at any supply house, Home Depot, you can buy it there. I recommend keeping it in your garage, somewhere accessible where you can find it very easy. So you're going to need this. It's going to enable us to turn the water in and turn the water off back on. So the second thing you're going to need to know is where your meter is. So other than turning it off, where are you going to find it? Now this can usually be back in the backyard, depending on like if it's older homes, it'll be in the back, or in the front for fairly newer homes. So let's go find the meter and get started. So the meter's actually right here in front of the yard. So if you see, we got the corner of the house. Most times you can locate the meter if it's covered up. You can find a nearby spigot or hose bib. Usually that's going to be the first point of entry. You want to line it up with that outside faucet. But in this case, it's right here uncovered. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this cap off. It's going to say city water on it, right? Or water. It should indicate where, what kind of utility this is. So take this cap off. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to place the meter key on top of the meter, and there is on the meter you can turn it on and off. There's a valve. We got the meter right here. This is my meter key, so we're going to actually place it right on top of this valve. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn it until it actually, the top part aligns with the top loop. You'll see it. So we're going to turn it, and that's going to turn it all the way on. So what you want to do is, just like that, you're still going to have a slow drip, but ultimately you want to test your faucets out to make sure the water's turned off. Also, it's going to definitely relieve the pressure inside the home. So if you're doing any type of repair, all the residual or excess water inside the water system is going to actually drain out. So, all right, so now that we know how to successfully turn your water up to your home, make sure that you contact your neighborhood plumber if you have any questions or concerns. Once again, this is William with 4AM Plumbing. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click subscribe, like, or comment on this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.